Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today is the easiest recipe for you. Pumpkin dessert like Turkish delight in full consistency. Our materials: 1 kilo of clean zucchini, 1½ glasses of sugar. I clean the zucchini shells and wash them well. Slicing my zucchini. I slice the zucchini and put it in my pot. I'm pouring my sugar on it. You can put sugar between 1 or 2 glasses. 1½ glasses of sugar, 1 kilo of zucchini is just coming. It's not too sugary, If you are in a hurry, add ½ cup of water. You can open it at a low degree and cook it slowly. I will rest for 2 hours. Close the lid. When the sugar on it starts to melt, I will burn the stove. Melts in 1 or 2 hours on average. If you have time, do it in the evening. You can cook in the morning. I will wait until the sugars on it melt. As you can see, the sugars are melted. Water collected under. I didn't add water in any way. I close the lid. I open the gold. I take my stove to a low degree. I will cook it in a controlled way. I'll open it from time to time and dip it with a fork and look. Pumpkin honey is cooked. I'm closing the bottom. Cooked in 20–25 minutes. May vary by pumpkin. Cook by checking from time to time. Do not cook at a high degree, always at a low degree. I close the lid. I will rest for 15–20 minutes. Pumpkin honey got cold. I took it on my serving plate. I pour some tahini on it. Tahini suits you very well. I'm sprinkling some walnuts. It was very nice. I hope you try it too. That's all from me for today. Like my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the new recipes. Goodbye.